I have a data of employees where I want to give some bonus, and again based on scoring, like who gets a particular score like above 200 will give them bonus, who got less than 200 will not give them bonus. But I'm using not function. Not function is very tricky because it gives you reverse answer. If the answer is true, it will give you false. If the answer is false, it will give you true. Let's see. So when I ask them to give me greater than 200, it give me an accurate answer. It should be true, but not function will not give me that true answer. It will give me a false answer. So is greater than 200. Finish. So you can see that this is true, means 198 is less than 200. So this guy is not eligible for bonus. 205 is false. As per not function, he is eligible for bonus. As I said, the true function is basically a reverse function. If the answer is true, normal situation, not function will give you false. If the answer is false, not function will give you true.